we started out creating feature documentaries, and then we evolved and we started making TV documentaries, and we've also diversified into drama as well, both film and TV. After graduating from my anthropology degree, I started working at the BBC, and then I got lots of opportunities to work in different departments: radio, research, television, even the interweb, which was a new thing at the time. I've had an opportunity to work across all kinds of medium, and then I went and worked in advertising for my sins, and then I started making films. I love the fact that I can integrate everything that I do into creating a production. We started Yaya Productions in 2005 as an SPV to make Separado, our first feature documentary. The shoot itself was a good crack. The small team of doing everything ourselves out in the blazing heat of Patagonia in Argentina. And then a penguin knocked over the camera, so we were kept camera down. And then it took us months and months to edit it, but we were supported throughout by Film Cymru Wales' team. And yeah, as a first film, it was a real joy to make. My relationship with Film Cymru Wales, or Film Agency for Wales as it was back then, started with Separado. That was our first production together. That was a big learning curve. Then we moved on to American Interior, which was a multi-platform production. In 2017, we made Queerama, which was the opening film at Sheffield International Film Festival. And then our latest feature documentary was Rockfield, the studio on a farm.
That's when it allowed us the freedom to, because nobody was playing as loud as that. The real target rattle, you know.
Again, Film Cymru supported us financially and creatively through the process, and just totally supportive of what we do as a company. They also gave us company support back in 2016, I think, which helped us diversify and helped us move into drama as well. So we've also been making short films, and we've made a TV series since then. Rolling into 2021, we'll just be really to survive right now. We've got a fantastic drama slate, we've got an animated feature, we've also got a TV slate of dramas, and then on the factual side, we're looking at development there as well. Film Cymru Wales have always been supportive of our creative endeavours, however out there, psychedelic, off the wall, bonkers and organic they may be at times. They've always allowed us to have that creative freedom to make films that we've really wanted to make and tell the stories that haven't been told in a way that we wanted to tell them and take them to a global audience. And working with them has been, always been a pleasure.